Good morning, students. Today, in continuation with chapter amine, we'll be discussing about electrophilic substitution reactions. Benzene ring in aromatic amines such as aniline gives substitution reactions such as halogenation, nitration, and sulfonation. These reactions proceed by electrophilic substitution mechanism in which attacking reagent is an electrophile. Under its attacking influence, the ortho and para position in the ring get activated as a result of resonance of lone pair on nitrogen with pi electrons of the ring. Therefore, the substitution takes place at an ortho and para position. Since the ring has been activated, the substitution reactions readily takes place under mild conditions. So first of all, we shall be discussing about bromination. Now you all know that NH2 group is ortho and para directing, and it is a powerful activating group. So when aniline is made to react with bromine water, it form 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and due to the strong activating effect of NH2 group, 2,4,6 tri-substituted amines are formed, and it is difficult to stop the reaction at the mono substitution stage. In order to get mono substituted product, activating effect of amino group is reduced by acetylation with acetic anhydride. Acetyl group, being electron withdrawing, attract the lone pair on the nitrogen atom itself. As a result, the lone pair of electron is not available for donation to the benzene ring, and hence the activating effect of amino group is reduced. This method is also known as protection of amino group. Now, aniline, when made to react with acetic anhydride, it forms N-phenyl ethanamide, which when made to react with bromine and acetic acid, it will form mono substituted product. It form parabromoaniline. Same way, nitration can be carried out. Nitration is carried out in the presence of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Very surprising that it will form the three products, that is para-nitroaniline, meta-nitroaniline, and ortho-nitroaniline is formed. Why the meta product is formed here? Actually, in strong acidic medium, because here we are using concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, in strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form anilinium ion, which is meta directing. Therefore, an unexpected large amount of meta-nitroaniline is formed. This aniline group, it means that aniline group can be protected by acetylation with acetic anhydride, and para-nitro derivatives can be obtained. Here I have shown this, that when aniline is made to react with the acetic anhydride and pyridine, it will form N-phenyl ethanamide, which further on nitration will give only the nitro product.